Our handstick vacuum cleaners are designed and now manufactured in France, in Vernon, in the heart of Normandy. They are conceived, developed, patented, prototyped, and perfected with the greatest requirement by our teams of engineers. To offer you the best quality, our handstick vacuums are tested for more than 1,000 hours. Vacuuming tests, robustness. We test them to ensure performance and durability for you. Our products are the result of an innovative manufacturing process, supported by modern and efficient equipment. Each part is carefully assembled with precision by a dedicated operator. We are proud of our know-how and the rigor to detail in the manufacturing of our products, to offer you spotless cleaning results every day.